Hello guys, it's Shit Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. Today we have a real short video of just me just telling you to not install the latest AMD chipset drivers. Mostly if you are using a Ryzen 7000 series like I am, do not install those chipset drivers. And the reason for that is simple and straightforward, like our sponsor. Today's video sponsor is GVG Mall, bringing you all the software deals you need, like Windows 10, Windows 11, Office 2021 with a new Windows 11 design, and even Windows Server 2022. For all of these, you can use my SKG discount code for 25% off, getting a Windows 10 serial key for only $16. Then use the key on your Windows settings and you'll have an activated system. And finally, cutting to the chase, the reason is temperatures. I was recently rendering my video and I know it is kind of hot in my room because we don't have AC. It's currently, I'm looking at the values, it's currently 23 degrees here, but yesterday when I actually tested this, it was 26 degrees, 26, 27, so it was kind of hot inside the room, so it's normal that the temperatures are also higher. And what happened is that I have the motherboard sensor for the temperatures, for the CPU temperatures, and I saw it reaching 99, 100 degrees, and I was like, what the fuck? Firstly, the Ryzen 7000 series, apart from the X3D ones, they are ready and prepared to run up to 95 degrees, and they will push up to 19 to 95 degrees to reach the maximum frequencies they can get. Okay, that's how they work, and they won't throttle for a single second. Even at 95 degrees, you can put them hours and hours, weeks, and they won't throttle. They are made to work like that, okay? That's what it is. And with the static overclock that I have, the temperatures are usually way lower than that. So I kind of felt strange to see temperatures up to 100 degrees. I never saw temperatures like that. I usually see temperatures like 90 when pushing all the cores at 100%, 90, 85 to 90, maybe 91, 92 at max. And when I saw those temperatures, I said to myself, something has to be wrong. This is not normal. And I thought to myself that the previous thing that I had installed were the chipset drivers. So I stopped the video rendering, uninstalled the current drivers and installed the previous ones, which were the 5.02 I believe, and guess what? Yes, the temperatures were back to normal. And I even thought maybe the chipset drivers are doing something and they are improving the performance, they are improving the time that takes to render the video, so I did a test. And what happened is that the render time was exactly the same, but the temperatures were way higher with the newer chipset drivers. So if you have a 7000 series, or if you have noticed some kind of temperatures increase with the new chipset drivers, just uninstall them and install the previous ones, once again the 5.02, because those were the best, okay? The temperatures are fine, but not with the newest chipset drivers. I mean, 100 is borderline danger. And even though the 7000 series, it is advisable to keep the temperatures below 95, which is a normal temperature for the CPU at high loads, okay? It will jump to there almost all the time at stock, so it's fine. But yeah, chipset drivers, the older ones, these ones they suck, at least for me. So yeah. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think, or let me know your experience if these chipset drivers also increased the CPU temperature for you as well, at least on multi-threading loads, because on gaming it seemed like it was more or less the same in terms of gaming, but in terms of multi-threading, when I was actually rendering, when I was actually testing on Prime 95, the temperature difference was big. So once again, comment in the comment section, let me know if that happened to you as well or not really. Thank you and see you in the next one.